Programming is an essential discipline within computer science that enables the development of applications and systems capable of performing specific tasks using programming languages. Conceptually, programming involves creating instructions that a computer can interpret and execute. These programming languages are divided into categories, such as low-level and high-level languages, each with particular characteristics that determine their applicability according to the project's needs. In the programming process, developers interact with the computer's hardware, which is composed of key components such as the CPU, memory, buses, and peripherals. Furthermore, it is essential to understand the relationship between software and hardware, as programs communicate directly with the system through tools such as drivers and the operating system. In practice, programming unfolds through a life cycle that encompasses everything from planning to software maintenance. Every computer application goes through various phases, such as design, coding, testing, and implementation. Throughout this cycle, programmers must handle different types of software, including system software, which manages computer resources, and application software designed to perform specific tasks. Ultimately, mastery of programming languages is crucial to this process, as they are the tools that allow programmers to create the instructions necessary for the software to function properly.